Have you ever noticed that some men can walk away from a woman, and suddenly she starts chasing them, texting them, and craving their presence? This isn't an accident. It's psychology. Women don't miss men who are always available, predictable, and easy to get. They miss men who trigger their emotions, curiosity, and desire. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful psychological tricks to make any woman miss you like crazy, crave your attention, and think about you even when you're not around. But here's the catch: you must use these tactics wisely. If you overdo them, you could push her away. But if you use them correctly, you'll become the man she can't stop thinking about. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. The Power of Scarcity. Less is more. Why being too available kills attraction. One of the biggest mistakes men make is being too available. They think that by always texting, calling, and showing up, a woman will appreciate them more. Wrong. When something is always available, it loses value. Think about it. Do you crave something you can have anytime? No. But when something is limited, rare, or uncertain, it becomes valuable. The psychological effect. When you stop giving constant attention, a woman starts to wonder, why isn't he texting me? Is he busy? Is he losing interest? This creates curiosity and emotional tension, making her think about you more. How to apply this trick? Reduce your availability. Don't always be the first to text or respond instantly. Be unpredictable. Sometimes reply quickly, sometimes take hours. Keep a busy life. Let her see that you have a purpose beyond her. The moment a woman feels your absence, she will start missing you. Chapter 2. Create emotional highs and lows. Why emotions matter. More than logic, women don't fall for men because of logic. They fall for men who make them feel something. A roller coaster of emotions creates addiction. If you are always predictable and nice, she will appreciate you, but she won't miss you. The psychological effect. If you create moments of excitement, then pull away, she will feel the contrast. She will start to chase the highs again, which makes her miss you. How to apply this trick? Flirt and tease her, then pull back. Have deep conversations, then disappear for a while. Give her a taste of your attention, then get busy. This emotional push and pull makes a woman feel attached to you. Chapter 3. The Power of Uncertainty. Keep her guessing. Why mystery makes you irresistible. Women are wired to be curious. If you give her everything up front, she will feel like she has figured you out. But if you create mystery, she will keep thinking about you. The psychological effect. If she doesn't know what you're thinking, she will keep trying to figure you out. This makes her invest more energy and emotions into you. How to apply this trick? Be vague about your plans. Instead of saying, I'll be free all weekend, say, I might be free later, let's see. Keep your personal life a bit private. Don't always share everything. Be unpredictable. Sometimes show affection, sometimes be distant. The less she knows, the more she wonders. And the more she wonders, the more she misses you. Chapter 4. The Law of Association. Attach yourself to positive emotions. Why women miss. How you made them feel. Women don't miss people. They miss how those people made them feel. If she associates you with fun, excitement, deep emotions, and passion, she will miss you whenever she's bored or lonely. The psychological effect. If she feels a deep connection with you, she will crave that feeling. When she's alone, she will replay those moments in her mind. How to apply this trick? Have amazing, deep conversations that make her feel special. Create unique experiences, adventures, inside jokes, or unforgettable moments. Be the best version of yourself, fun, confident, and exciting. The better she feels with you, the more she will miss you when you're gone. Chapter 5. The Power of Walking Away. Make her fear losing you. Why fear of loss is the ultimate trigger. The biggest mistake men make. They are afraid to walk away. When a woman knows you will always be there no matter what, she takes you for granted. But when she feels she might lose you, she starts valuing you more. The psychological effect. If a woman feels you can leave at any moment, she will work harder to keep you. Scarcity creates demand. If she feels she might lose you, she will fight for your attention. How to apply this trick? Don't tolerate disrespect. If she's playing games, walk away. Have options. Women are drawn to men who are wanted by others. Show that you are strong enough to leave. When a woman realizes your value, she will miss you before you're even gone. Chapter 6. The final test. Is she really missing you? How to know. If she's thinking about you. If these psychological tricks work, you will see clear signs that she's missing you. Signs she's thinking about you. She texts you randomly, even without a reason. She likes your social media posts, especially older ones. She brings up old memories, trying to reconnect. She mentions missing you or asks what you're up to. What to do next. If she reaches out, don't respond immediately. Keep her waiting. If she asks about your life, be mysterious. If she says she misses you, test her. Make her earn your attention. The key is to keep her chasing. Chapter 7. Common mistakes that ruin everything. Many men use these tricks wrong and end up pushing women away. Mistakes to avoid. Overdoing it. If you ignore her too much, she'll lose interest. Being needy. If you cave in too soon, you lose power. Faking confidence. You must actually be high value, not just act like it. The goal is to make her miss you naturally, not to manipulate or beg for attention. Chapter 8. The ultimate mindset. Be a high-value man. At the end of the day, women miss men who bring value to their lives. The real secret. Confidence is king. Have your own life and goals. Be the man she feels lucky to have. If you focus on becoming a high-value man, women will naturally miss you. Like and subscribe for more powerful attraction secrets.